Hello everybody, welcome back to part 9 of Mercury Boat Repair Tower of Power. Here we are sitting out in the middle of beautiful Lake Monroe, and this is going to be the first running on the boat motor, and show you guys whether this is going to work or not. Here we go. And there you have it, everybody. We had an awesome running there, got up to about 50 miles an hour, and man, this sucker ran great. Big thanks to B&H, all my friends at boatparts.net. Special thanks to my family and my boys for helping me out with this. And Mercury Boat Repair, Tower of Power, 115 horse Merc. Man, this is just great. Running on all 6 cylinders. Thanks everybody for watching.